How to fix login error in Arcade CD. First, if you're having any kinds of problem in the application, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on a control center and tap on a Wi-Fi icon to turn it on and to connect to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you are still having any other kinds of login problem, you can simply go to your settings, click on General, click on iPhone Storage, and here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Arcade CD application. Tap on Show All, tap on the Arcade CD application and simply click on Offload App. Tap on Offload App again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any login errors. But if this doesn't work out, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.